Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you guys how to identify contacts that have emails that are either undeliverable or unsubscribed from your emails. So the first thing we want to do is we want to log into our command platform. Now, once you are logged into your command platform, we want to navigate over to our contacts applet on the left-hand menu. I'll go and click on that. Now, once we have navigated to our contacts, we're going to go ahead and click our filter. And from there, we're going to go all the way to the bottom to a new filter that says primary email alert. Okay. If we scroll down, you'll see that we have no alert. That means they don't have they don't have either undeliverable or subscribed, so their email is good. But we also have the ability now to search for undelivered emails and unsubscribes. So if we go ahead and click on those two and we hit apply, you'll see that it's going to identify any contact in your command database that has a unsubscribed email or an undelivered. And actually, they've even added these little icons to the right of the email that will let you know that specific contact is undeliverable or, like this bottom one, unsubscribed. So two different little icons. Now, when an email is undeliverable, there are a few different reasons. It could be an invalid email. It could be their mailbox is full. It could also be that their provider is potentially blocking those emails from coming through. So there are a few different reasons why it would show that. You can click into these contacts. It will also tell you, hey, it is undeliverable. The email is not valid. Okay. So it's going to tell you very clearly. If we go to the next one, same thing. Email is not valid. The next one, this is in unsubscribed. There's a couple of options when someone unsubscribes. They can unsubscribe from that specific type of email, or they can unsubscribe from all emails. So depending on what they chose here, it will let you know that they've unsubscribed from all or the specific email that was sent. But that is our new filter in the command platform and how to identify those contacts in your database so that you are aware of, that specific email that is no longer deliverable. So that is our tip video for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support email. That is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.